Listen to me very carefully. We are currently standing on the absolute precipice of a single largest economic structural transformation of our lifetime. Most everyday retail investors are completely blind to this setup, wasting time listening to perma-bears, skeptics, and outdated media outlets warning them of a bubble. Michael Burry Blurry McBubble. They are waiting for a slow, agonizing compounding process to double their money in 7 years, while a violent, massive outlier leap is taking place right under their noses. This isn't a fleeting trend or generic internet hype. This is systemic realignment of global infrastructure and enterprise operations. And let me make something very abundantly clear right now. It does not matter how much explosive growth these dominant companies have already demonstrated over the last 24 months, they are still nowhere near their long-term value. And based on parabolic demand for AI data compute infrastructure capacity, hardware architecture, the financial multi-bagger curve is only in its second or third inning of the baseball game, so to speak, as an example. If you're sitting on your hands or chasing empty hype names with zero real fundamentals, you are practically volunteering to be left behind by the most aggressive wealth creation engine in market history. Before we continue on in this video and I explain to you guys the stocks that I would be looking at right now for generational wealth in the coming 3 to 5 plus years out, stop guessing your way through volatile market structures and losing capital on bad setups. In just a few hours today at 2 p.m. Eastern, today, May 16th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific, I am hosting my free masterclass webinar where I'm revealing the exact proprietary technical analysis, dark pool data, tracking, and hedge fund strategies I use every single day inside my Discord community. This exact systematic execution framework is what allowed me to grow my micro challenge account from $900 to over $8,000 in just over a year, while simultaneously scaling my smaller $250,000 account into a staggering 1.7 million powerhouse within the identical time frame. This is a life-altering opportunity to pinpoint exactly what you are doing wrong in the markets before the next major institutional leg up leaves you behind completely. There's only a few spots left in this webinar, so use the link in the information box below to register right now, and I will see you at the webinar. I have a Q&A and a huge announcement, an opportunity you don't want to miss. First, in order to understand the market, we have to understand the blueprint of global macro chessboard. To capture the massive upside on an outlier market leap, you have to stop looking at individual tickers in isolation and start mastering the entire layout of the chessboard. The elite wealth generation over the next decade isn't coming from shallow chat apps. It's hard-coded into 3 specific pillars. The foundation, the infrastructure, is one of these. This includes the physical land providers like cloud hyperscalers, the hyper-monopolized semiconductor engines, and the high-output energy or cooling utilities powering massive compute centers. Then you have the engine, which is productivity automation, the transition from simple code into physical robotics, advanced automated workflows, and complex vision sensor networks. Then you have the brains, the enterprise solutions, scalability, high-margin operating systems built to explicitly implement data at scale for business-to-business environments. Now remember, there's no guarantees in the stock market, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock. Do your due diligence. It's risky, it's volatile. Protect your capital and make sure that the stocks that I'm talking about in this video fit your personal needs. Now, before we get into these stocks, we also have to understand and identify the ultimate asset in pricing gaps. Understanding the broad macro trend is only half of the battle. The real multi-million-dollar gains happen when you identify structural pricing gaps. An elite investor hunts for situations where a company's underlying fundamentals and operational cash flows and balance sheet strength are aggressively scaling upward, yet the stock price remains completely stagnant, compressed, or temporarily beaten down by short-term market confusion. When you locate these inefficiencies, you are essentially acquiring premier cash-rich monopolies at a massive discount while the rest of the market blindly panics over superficial metrics like historical PE ratios. And next, you also have to understand spotting the imposters versus dominant moats. The market is entering a phase where more than 65% of retail participants will end up failing because they are aggressively chasing hollow, overhyped names that lack any real institutional cash flow. To avoid getting caught in the crossfire, you must filter out the smoke screens and focus on the bulletproof metrics. And the most important, cash to debt dominance. Ensure the companies you back maintain a fortress balance sheet carrying massive liquidity cash piles with little to no debt holding them back. And then there's operating margin scaling. Look for businesses that are consistently displaying triple-digit percentage expansions in free cash flow and operating efficiency year over year. And then you have to look at the monopolistic structural moats allocated toward tier 1 assets that own proprietary blueprints, crucial corporate software dependencies, or physical manufacturing infrastructure that competitors simply cannot replicate. But on top of that, there's many other things to understand, but this is just the beginning. I want to dive in now to some of these stocks that fit this criteria, and first is Oracle, ORCL. Let's start with the company that has undergone one of the most stunning fundamental turnarounds in technology history, shifting from a perceived tech dinosaur into an absolute titan of AI cloud infrastructure. A few years ago, Oracle was trading like a low-growth legacy software business wrapped around the $65 to $75 range, entirely dismissed by Wall Street as a slow-moving utility. Fast forward to right now, and the stock is trading near $193 a share. Yet, due to recent macro-driven inflation data and a temporary market drawdown, it remains a heavily mispriced asset, lagging behind the broader indices despite its jaw-dropping transformation. Oracle's total revenue has scaled aggressively, blasting up 22% year over year to $17.2 billion in its most recent quarterly reporting, anchored by a mind-boggling 243% year over year explosion in explicit AI infrastructure revenue and a 531% surge in multi-cloud database intake. And furthermore, the remaining performance obligations, which represent binding contracted backlog from institutional megacaps like Meta, Nvidia, OpenAI, have skyrocketed an unprecedented 325% year over year to a staggering $553 billion. While current capital expenditure cycles have kept trailing free cash flow restricted due to massive global data center buildouts, their projected free cash flow is modeled to climb towards $31.2 billion by 2030 and potentially scale to over $98 billion over the next decade. Wall Street analysts maintain an aggressive consensus, moderate buy to strong buy posture on Oracle. Wall Street analysts maintain an aggressive consensus, moderate buy to strong buy posture on Oracle, with an average of 1 to 3 year price target of $261 to $300 and street high targets reaching up to $400, reflecting a near-term upside of over 100%. Looking out into the 3 to 5 year horizon, as their $500 billion backlog formally convert into a high margin recognized revenue, Oracle's intrinsic valuation models point toward a fair value target exceeding $389 per share, proving that even after its multi-year run, this stock is drastically undervalued and nowhere near its ultimate structural peak. The next stock we have to look at is Palantir. Moving on to the undisputed king of business-to-business enterprise AI integration, Palantir is a prime example of the dominant monopoly whose long-term pricing potential is completely misunderstood by retail traders who obsess over historical valuations. Just a few years ago, during the macro tech flush of 2022, Palantir was heavily compressed, languishing in the single digits around $6 to $8, and as share critics labeled it, a niche government contractor. And I told everyone to buy it at $15, and my Discord got in at $15 to $20. That is a massive return because Palantir broke over $200 last summer. Today, it has staged a speculator 10x recovery, yet the objective financial data proves it is still in the earliest chapters of its commercial monetization curve. Palantir operates with a pristine, bulletproof fortress balance sheet containing nearly $8 billion in cold hard cash and zero long-term debt, giving them unmatched flexibility to fund infrastructure expansion. Their operational metrics are scaling violently, displaying an expected revenue growth rate crossing 70% to 100% heading into the next year, backed by a phenomenal 32% operating margin that reflects a near 200% margin expansion year over year. Free cash flow has matched up an astonishing 90% in the last 12 months alone, clocking in at $2 billion annually. Palantir is the absolute only enterprise software ecosystem capable of deploying operational AI at scale across deep commercial pipelines and according to institutional valuation models, it represents a $500 stock trading at a severe discount. Wall Street's 1 to 3 year analyst frameworks are constantly scrambling to adjust their price targets upward as enterprise adoption rates accelerate across Fortune 500 clients. In the 3 to 5 year window, as their AIP platform becomes the standardized operating system for corporate America and global defense networks, the compounding growth from high margin software renewals will easily support massive exponential upside, making any historical point look like a blip on the chart. Now, before we get to the next two stocks, remember, we are tracking these precise institutional cash flows live in just a few hours today in my free masterclass webinar at 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific today, May 16th. Do not miss out on this exclusive chance to see exactly how these technical setups translate into real-time account growth. Very limited spots are left at this point. Use the link below to register. I'll be hosting a Q&A answering your questions, and I will have a huge announcement and a life-changing opportunity that you do not want to miss. Next, let's look at the true mega cap behemoth that is currently being handed to smart money at a massive structural discount because the market is panicking over capital expenditure cycles. And this is none other than Microsoft. A few years ago, Microsoft was trading back in the mid 200s before its multi-billion-dollar partnership with OpenAI, and that initiated the modern generative AI race. Today, the stock sits compressed around the $405 to $421 zone, down roughly 10% over the last 12 months and underperforming the S&P 500, creating an incredible price gap for the disciplined long-term buyer. Microsoft's scale is absolutely staggering. They recently posted a blowout quarter with earnings per share beating the consensus metrics for the fourth consecutive time, driving a 45% operating margin on hundreds of billions of dollars in enterprise revenue. Their cloud division, Azure, is growing at a blistering 40% clip year over year, while their dedicated commercial AI division has exploded to 123% to a massive $37 billion annualized run rate. The enterprise software giant brings in over $60 billion in annual cash flow, giving them unmatched capital war chest to build out the next generation of infrastructure. Wall Street analysts have established a consensus target of $561 over the next 1 to 3 years, leaving a double-digit margin of safety from the current levels. Looking ahead to the 3 to 5 year timeline, Microsoft's deep enterprise software integration ensures that its AI copilots will remain an unbreakable corporate dependency, with internal intrinsic models projecting a long-term price target of $1,420 a share, representing an enormous 250% upside for a $4 trillion company that is completely mispriced by short-term traders. Finally, we must analyze the ultimate picks and shovels play of the semiconductor space, Micron technology, which is effectively becoming a total monopoly in the high bandwidth memory, HBM, for AI data processing. A few years ago, Micron was treated as a highly volatile cyclical commodity memory provider, trading in the $50 to $60 range based entirely on standard PC and smartphone demand cycles. And I told my Discord to buy Micron just 3 months ago when it was under $400, and my Discord has seen almost a 2x return in just 6 weeks. Today, it is broken completely out of that legacy structure, yet its forward-looking capacity remains drastically uncounted by the broader market. Micron's financial trajectory has experienced an unprecedented inflection point. Their adjusted earnings recently skyrocketed by an astounding 7.8x year over year in their recent fiscal quarters. Analysts are projecting an exponential jump in the full-year earnings per share to $58.11 for the current fiscal cycle, compared to just $8.29 per share previously, with forward estimates climbing to $101.78 per share shortly after. This massive surge is driven by a severe global macro supply shortage where memory demand is dramatically outstripping capacity, leading institutional firms to anticipate a 125% jump in industry pricing structures. Micron holds a clean balance sheet with over $10 billion in cash and robust free cash flow expansion that is directly funding automated manufacturing capacity. Wall Street's 1 to 3 year analyst consensus targets are highly aggressive, with top-tier firms like Bank of America and Deutsche Bank holding strong targets of up to $1,000 per share. And while a notable portion of the street projects the stock could skyrocket past $2,000 in the coming year, as hyperscaled compute demands force custom AI chips to load up on massive amounts of HBM, in the 3 to 5 year macro window, Micron will likely literally transitioned from a cyclical manufacturer into a permanent, highly profitable structural fixture of global AI computation, yielding massive compounding gains that make its current pricing look absurdly cheap. Look, the line separating investors who build true permanent generational wealth from those who spend the next 10 years drowning in the regret comes down to a single attribute: decisive, high-level execution over emotional hesitation. The stock market never rewards passive spectators, and it certainly doesn't stop to wait for the skeptics to feel comfortable. Stop chasing the hollow market noise. Stop doing this and learn how to read deep institutional data streams, identify real structure pricing gaps, and build a bulletproof approach to markets. And take action, secure your edge, and let's execute. And I will see you at the webinar in just a few short hours today, May 16th at 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. I have a huge announcement. I'll be going over all of this, teaching you all of my proprietary strategies, dark pool strategies, hedge fund strategies, technical analysis, and so much more. I'll have a huge announcement and a life-changing opportunity. You don't want to miss that. I'll be hosting a Q&A, and I'll be teaching you guys the same strategies that grew my micro challenge account from $900 to over $8,000 in a year, and in the same time frame grew my small $250,000 portfolio to $1.7 million, as you guys can see right there. Don't miss out on this opportunity. I'll see you in the webinar just in a few short hours from now. One love.